Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to enable developer options and USB debugging in any Android mobile. So first of all, go to the settings of your phone, scroll to the last, click on about phone, and here just find build number or the version and click on it 7 times. So the build number is in version here, mine. You will also find it right here itself. Click on build number 7 times, enter the lock screen password, and you are in developer mode. Go back, click on settings again, go to the additional settings, and here you will find the developer options right here. If you don't find it here, you just have to search for here developer, okay, and you can see that we have developer options. Now scroll down and click on USB debugging and click on OK. Now connect your mobile to the machine using a USB cable. So just select transfer files. Now it is showing you to allow USB debugging. Click on always allow and click on allow, and it has been successfully allowed. If it doesn't show you that option, you just type the commands in the Windows, Mac or Linux ADB devices and press enter. As soon as you enter this command, it will show you that option of allowing, okay, so allow it. And here you can see that our device is successfully connected in ADB mode. And to install the ADB and Fastboot drivers in Windows, Mac and Linux, just watch the videos in the description. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.